Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClintock and today I want to talk about things that are happening in today's economy, some markets you guys should be looking at, and the Ukraine-Russia situation with the news. And I'm going to break it down, guys. If you have any comments, please drop them below. We'll have this discussion, but let's run right through it, guys. So when it comes to gold, guys, gold is supposed to be a very big inflation head. I talk about gold in a lot of my videos, and gold right now is about to break that last high, and we're seeing to hit to the 2,000 level. So the banks are having issues suppressing the paper gold. But if you look at physical gold on APMEX, for example, or JM Bullion or Providence Metals, you can see that the spot price, or the price for that physical gold, is way, way above this paper gold. And I think, and even I know, I think long term gold is going to be going a whole lot higher, especially with this administration and all the shenanigans that's been happening. But let's look at on a more detailed chart, guys. Here's gold. We hit that good dip. This is where I was buying, talking about a lot of people should be buying, and now here we are today, almost near 2,000, and we're looking to break this high. We built enough energy right here, enough orders, enough buyers have built in, and it seems to make the next leg higher. How high can gold go? I think that gold and silver, precious metals, will go even higher if the crises slash inflation gets even worse. And especially, we should be, this recession was papered over. The whole pandemic, scandemic is papered over. So it's going to get even worse for the economy, but precious metals should do quite amazing. We'll look at silver, guys. So here's that recession that's supposedly over, the recession of the pandemic, scandemic. And this is silver on macro trends, but let's check it on the bigger chart, guys. Here's all those people buying within this time frame. You can see that there's a lot of energy to head back up higher. And we might be going back to that $30 mark. But if you look at the physical silver, just like gold, physical silver is very expensive. You can buy now at $30+ per silver ounce. I still think it's extremely cheap, and I was saying it was cheap here too when I was making my previous videos. But I think it's going to go amazingly higher. So I'm getting in as much as I can now. If you guys want to, please look at silver in long term. Silver has been doing absolutely amazing long term, especially with the dollar dying. I can show you guys the dollar purchasing power chart, but I have it on this one. But let's go into the Fed balance sheet. So the Fed's balance sheet since the pandemic, scandemic, has been going up like this. I mean, it's been massive amount of quantitative easing, and their budget sheet has been blowing up. But look at the gold. Gold, I believe, is going to catch up to here. It's going to be a huge move for gold and silver. I think more silver than gold, but having both is always good. Now, we'll look at some other things, guys. We'll look at the 30-year fixed mortgage rate. Now, rates are really low right now. We're at 3.89%. I think rates are going to be a whole lot higher. I think they have to go higher since we have all this manipulation happening. And will we go back to the 1980 highs? I don't know. But we are going to go higher. So if people are going to get locked in at that low rate, I would be interested in getting that locked in if you're already in something long-term real estate-wise. Okay, and now we're looking at the real estate index. The real estate index is extremely high. We have already passed the 2007 high before the crash of 2008 and 9, all the way up to this big giant rally. So if you're looking at getting into real estate, you should be aware of this number, aware of these things. I will have all this link below so you can check out the real estate index. Bar Chart is a really good website, guys. It has a lot of good information about trading statistics. It breaks it down a whole lot better than most websites. Now let's get to that crude oil, guys. So I've been talking about crude oil hitting $100 a barrel. We have crushed that, and now we're at 114. About to go to those record highs over here. As this craziness with Russia, craziness with inflation, with the amount of these, I'll say, our budget exploding. We don't have so much good news for the dollar or America. So gold, oil price in dollars might be going a whole lot higher. So prepare for more gas prices. And that's what leads me to my AAA gas prices. So right now we're averaging about $3.65 for the red states right here. Not like red Republic states, but this is how they're categorizing right here. But if we look at the average last year, guys, we're looking at $2.72. Now we're even over here. So gas can go up higher if the supply chain, or how do I say this? These guys don't want to be part of oil and they want to go to clean energy, if that makes sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. But if they continue this clean energy path and we stop using oil, we have to import it more, prices might be going higher for gas. And if gas goes up, food is going to go up. a whole lot of other industries and retail prices are going to go up too. Let's look at crude oil. Not crude oil. And that was going to move to transition more into the Russia and what's been happening with their markets. So since we have this Russia-Ukraine incident, you see that the Russian ruble is getting massacred against the dollar. So here's 2 months ago. There's a month-on chart. If you look at it, you can see that this big push up right there. That means if the dollar going up, the Russian ruble is going down and getting massacred. I don't know if anyone's trading this. I can't trade it. All my brokers have banned trading this. So if you are trading this, let me know. If you're shorting a lot of the Russian stocks, maybe some people are. I can't get access to it. So here's some of the news that I found, guys. Just like from CNN. I'm not a good proponent. I don't like these things when it comes to like big media companies. They lie about pretty much everything, and that they put out their agenda. But stuff like this. When it comes to like Russian invades Ukraine, 1 million refugees have fled to Ukraine out of Ukraine, and it's pretty crazy that so many people are trying to flee from this. And I hope that these wars don't start breaking out, because a lot of people are going to be hurt, affected. The markets is going to be a lot of starvation because people can't produce. And if we keep it to a market-to-market basis, like if you're going to see it as a capitalist way of thinking, how can you capitalize on this? I think precious metals is a good industry, or just commodities like soft commodities and hard commodities should be going up, because there's going to be less people producing these things. Well, let's go to here. So Vanguard emergence market largely escaped Russia's market debacle. Here's what's something. So let's talk about some of the things that are happening with Russian stocks and stuff, Russian part of the market. If you guys want to learn more about it, you guys want to read it, I have it linked below, so check it out. Also, Russian market breaks down with cash frozen at the border. So if you guys want to learn more about what's happening with that, please check out this article. Just be aware of what's happening with Russia and other people being trapped in between. And Russia keeps markets closed for a third day, so if you're trapped in that, this could be quite painful. But that's just some of the things I wanted to go over, guys. But let's head to my website, Andre J. McClendon. So if you want to learn more about trading, free indicators, making a custom indicator, I have it all available. I am creating some stuff for the economy/states. I'm building a big platform so it can have like countries. You can list the countries, then states, and break down statistics. So if you're looking for specific things, you can have it all there. I'll be building it, updating as I go. So just send me a DM on Facebook or on my website, or even here on the YouTube in the comments below, and just tell me what you guys think about what I can add, so you guys can have more statistical data or trading data to help you guys out. Because I use it too. I looked up stats, but it's not fully updated yet. But guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's talk about this stuff. Talk about what's happening in Russia, what's happening to the markets, what happens to your investments. But that's the end of the video, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.